Why does your Tucson's AC suddenly stop working? You're not alone. This happens to lots of drivers. Here's what you need to know. First, if your Tucson's AC isn't cooling, the most common reason is low refrigerant. Refrigerant is the special fluid that chills your air. Over time, small leaks can let it escape, and your AC won't work right. Next, the AC compressor itself might be the problem. The compressor is like the heart of your air conditioner. If it's broken, the whole system stops working. Listen for strange noises, or if your engine struggles when you turn on the AC, that's a clue the compressor may be worn out. Another cause is an electrical issue. A blown fuse or bad relay can stop the compressor from turning on. Sometimes the AC button lights up but nothing cold comes out. Don't forget the AC clutch and belt. If the belt is loose or the clutch isn't grabbing, your compressor won't spin. Lastly, check your cabin air filter. If it's clogged, airflow drops and you'll feel less cooling. To sum up, low refrigerant, a faulty compressor, electrical problems, worn belts, or a dirty filter are the top reasons your Tucson's AC might not work. If you're not sure, always get help from a pro. Stay cool out there.